as mad as a hatter. This video explains the meaning of this proverb and then tells how we can apply it to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, succeed. As mad as a hatter, this proverb originates from the eccentric and unpredictable behavior displayed by hatters in the 18th and 19th centuries. Due to mercury exposure during hat making. Building upon the meaning of this phrase, we can delve deeper into understanding how embracing a touch of madness can bring unexpected benefits to our lives. By stepping out of our comfort zones and taking risks, we open ourselves up to new opportunities and experiences. This willingness to embrace the unconventional can help us overcome challenges as we approach problems with fresh perspectives and innovative solutions. Furthermore, by channeling our inner madness into our pursuits, we find the determination and resilience needed to achieve success. Embracing madness doesn't mean losing touch with reality, but rather harnessing the untamed and creative energy within us. When applied wisely, embracing a hint of madness can bring us luck, help us overcome difficulties, and ultimately lead us to thriving in all areas of our lives. This concept of embracing madness may seem counterintuitive, but it holds true power. As mad as a hatter, we can tap into our inner quirkiness and explore uncharted territories. This enables us to break free from societal norms and discover our true potential. By defying convention, we become catalysts for change, sparking innovation and progress. Embracing madness means embracing authenticity. Unafraid of being different or thinking outside the box, this mindset allows us to attract opportunities and forge our own unique paths. Let us challenge the status quo, confront our fears, and unleash the power of our beautiful madness. With this newfound freedom, we can transform our lives, unlocking a level of fulfillment and success unimaginable to those confined by conformity. So, as mad as a hatter, let us embrace our quirks, tap into our creativity, and set ourselves on a remarkable journey of self-discovery and self-actualization. Embrace this touch of madness and watch as life unfolds in delightful and unexpected ways. Embrace the madness, unleash your inner genius. As mad as a hatter, we have come to understand the power of embracing a touch of madness in our lives. By cultivating our inner quirkiness and defying societal norms, we have the ability to tap into our creativity and unlock our true potential. But how exactly can we embrace this madness and set ourselves on a remarkable journey of self-discovery and self-actualization? To embrace the madness and unleash our inner genius, we must first let go of the fear of being different. Society often pressures us to conform, but true greatness lies in breaking free from these constraints. By challenging the status quo and embracing our quirks, we can open ourselves up to new ideas and perspectives. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment and subscribe to the channel.